Hey guys, today we are installing this beautiful wig from OQHAIR. It is 100% human hair, and this is the box that the hair came in. Obviously it's a bit damaged, and that's because of shipping. You open the box, this is how it looks. So it has all their social media platform handles, has their email, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp number as well. It came with these 2 wig caps, which I'm obviously going to use for the purpose of this video. It also came with this one is the hairband that you put when you are trying to lay your hair. So this is it. This what do they call this again? I think I forgot the name of this, but this is to sort of like melt your hair. This is what you use. And they've also sent me these beautiful lashes. I am gonna try them, but probably not on this video. So yeah, this is it. Oh, they also sent me an instruction book over here. So it says OQHAIR human hair and get cash. I think it's get cash back when you advertise for them. And yeah, this is it, you guys. They also have instructions as to how you should treat the hair if you want it to last longer and everything like that, and if you want it to stay the way it is, because this is beautiful hair, child. This hair is super silk, it is super sleek. This is how the wig looks, you guys. So it has already been pre-plucked for you. You don't have to do any extra work with this wig. This is how it looks straight out of the box. And let me just turn it around so that I can show you as well over here. So yeah, this is how it looks underneath. I've obviously went in with a bit of my foundation so that it can match my skin color. And also this is the band that you can use to adjust it if the cap is a bit big. This is how the cap looks, and they've obviously done a clean job. The layering of the hair and the sewing of the hair, this is obviously a clean job. This looks clean and neat as well. When I tell you this fits like a glove, you guys, I haven't ironed this hair, I haven't blow dried this hair, but this fits like a glove and it looks super beautiful on my head. Like, look at this, you guys. Like, look, please pay attention and tell me this hair does not look good. Okay, let's go ahead and install it. Okay, you guys, let's get into this installation. I'm not sure if I mentioned that this is a 24-inch human hair, child. It looks like a 30-inch to me. Like, here in South Africa, you would get hair that looks like this, like the length of it. You'd get it here and they would tell you this is a 30-inch, but OQHAIR, you guys know what you're doing. The length, the texture of the hair, I literally feel like I don't need to do anything with this hair. Let me show you what I mean. Let's put it on and let's see. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna. What did I say, you guys? Did I not say that this hair fits like a glove? Honestly, no glue, no nothing. I feel like I don't even want to do any, I don't want to do any work on this hair because it looks good, it looks lovely, it does not need baby hair. This is literally a wear and go and you're done. No gel, no glue, nothing like that. Like, honestly, this is a glueless wig, and OQHAIR, you guys really know what you're doing. If I had said someone else's hair is good when it comes to glueless, child, I hadn't met OQHAIR, because this, can you guys see that? Like, after I put on my foundation, it literally blends with my skin, but I am going to go in with a bit of foam so that it can sort of look like it has been melted onto my scalp. I know that it's already giving that, but I want to see if I put on like foam, how is it going to look? And also, guys, tell me this does not look good. Can you see that? Oh, child. Okay, this is how it is, you guys. I'm so excited for this hair because wow, it looks good, it looks stunning, it looks beautiful. Okay, I feel like let's make this middle part a bit straight, and let's see how that will go. And I think I'll also go with a bit of makeup so that it really looks like sleek and nice. Let's do that and let's see how that's gonna go. Turn up, all I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why? Like, I want it to look super straight, and I want it to be like demarcated so that we know like this is a straight line, and we're going for a middle path. So this is what I want. I'm gonna do it just here. I'm gonna use my foundation. My foundation is by Revlon. These are the two foundations that I'll be using because I can't get like my perfect shade, so I usually just mix these two. And yeah, I'm going in with my foundation as I've mentioned.
Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe.
Can you guys see that? Yeah, now it looks like it's more like straight and more to the straight side. So yeah, shall we go in with a bit of wax stick? Should we go in with a bit of it? But I don't really feel like it, and that's because I don't like shiny hair, you guys, like honestly. So I'm just gonna go in with just a bit of it, and then I'll use my hot comb just to make sure that it is well flat and laid properly. But this, as you guys can see, it's already been like flat laid, and there's no bulk on the side. Like with other companies, you'd usually see that when you're putting the wig on your head, on the other side it's sort of like not leveled, but with this one it's completely flat and it's leveled. And also you'd think just because the hair is nice and leveled, you'd think that there's no hair, like in terms of the volume of the hair, you'd think that the hair does not have volume, but that's not the case with this hair because it does have volume, and also it has been laid down correctly and flat. It's not bulky or anything like that.
Babe, 'cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where.
I think now it looks nice and flat, you guys. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think it looks proper and it looks nice and flat. I think we should just go in with some bit of ironing. Not that this hair needs ironing, child, but like let's go in with an iron and let's see how it's gonna look.
You be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you more.
I feel like we're done, you guys, but I just want to go in with some foam and let's see how it's gonna go. Oopsie, I think I'm out of foam, honestly. Like, I think I need to get more products. Okay, let's just go in with this a little bit. Let's tie it for like 30 seconds or something like that, and let's see how it is afterwards. Oh, my pants, my skin, child, what's this guy? What's this doing? Ooh. Guys, this is honestly like a wear and go type of wig. So for those of you who don't like installing wigs, this is definitely for you. And if like you're going on vacation and you don't want to do like a proper install, because when you get into water it looks a mess, this one you can, if you're going into water, you can put it on the side and you can put it on again and it will literally look the same. So I think it's super convenient for that as well. And also if you are a corporate girl and you want to look like sleek on a daily basis, this is definitely it. You can install this every single morning, like wear and go, no gel needed, nothing like that. This looks proper and this looks beautiful. So this is the band that I said I'm gonna put on. So yeah, this is definitely for ladies that like convenience. It's also for me. I love it because as a person who installs hair like all the time, I don't want to be installing something using glue and then I have to take it off like after a day or two because I have other hair to install. This one is definitely it for me. Like literally you can put it on and yeah, you can leave the house. You don't need to, oh, you can put it on and Bob is your uncle. So yeah, this is super convenient for you ladies, so check it out. I'll have every single little detail in my description box, and I'm sure that they'll also give us a discount code over there, so check that out. When it comes to hair, this is like my second collaboration with OQHAIR, and they have never disappointed me when it comes to glueless wigs, because the first one that I did, it was a curly wig, and that one looks proper as well. This one is also like top tier. Now I feel like I've got hair that I can wear on a daily basis and I still look sleek and beautiful, glueless child. Okay, this is giving that it has been installed and yet it hasn't. And also I think I'm over baby hairs. Like I feel like I'm over baby hairs, and that's because it takes a lot of time to do, child. So maybe someone can do my baby hairs, but me, honestly, I don't have the time for that, and I don't feel like I want to do that anymore. So yeah, this is it, you guys. This is beautiful. This is a gorgeous wig. This is stunning. I'm just gonna wait for this to dry off, and yeah, minute is over, you guys, so let's take it off and let's do this. Oopsie. Oops. What did I tell you? What did I say to you? Does this not look good? Child, this is beautiful. This is stunning. Can you guys see that? Ooh, okay. Now the pre-plucked hair looks more like prominent, and you can see it clearly now. I feel like you can see it clearly. What do you guys think? This is beautiful. This is stunning. Okay, this is beautiful hair. I love it. I'm definitely keeping this. Okay. I feel like this is super beautiful and super stunning. Do you guys want to see that it is really a glueless wig and I did not glue it? Again, let's do this. Oopsie, can you see that? Glueless, child. Glueless. Oopsie. Okay. This is how it looks. And this is the beautiful hair, and this is the beautiful wig. Check them out. I will leave every detail in my description box. This is beautiful, Sha. Beautiful. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Until next time, it is peace from me. Bye.
We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, cause you're all I crave. So I wonder, where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when